I am forever grateful that throughout my dance career, both when I train as a student and when I teach, that dance has always taught me about accountability. This is where I've learned how to be responsible for myself and for others, which again goes into what I'll talk about tomorrow for teamwork. But it is about taking on my own responsibility and being part of a bigger picture. When we have accountability and respect, we are attending class on time. And by on time, we mean early, and being prepared in many aspects of the term being prepared, whether it's having all the materials or again uh, being ready early. There's many different aspects of that, but it also is the responsibility of passing on knowledge to others and sharing and positively encouraging others. It's the accountability of learning my part of the dance and doing my job while I'm performing and taking on responsibility of making sure that dancers are training safely. And that leads us into the respect that we talked about yesterday and into the teamwork about how we all are engaging with each other. I will see you tomorrow as we talk about that teamwork.